Today I was just thinking about my experience as a quality control officer in a pharmaceutical company that I worked for, of course, before I resigned and went fully into what I'm doing presently. I remember that day that my quality control manager called me and told me, so Mujibala, I want you to go downstairs and go and be checking anyone who takes food into the cloakroom. Wow. These are principalities and power that he asked me to go and monitor. And immediately he told me that I was like, how Ghana, why me now? Why me now? He said, no, Mujibala, just go and do it. I don't know what to do, because the truth is that if I enter that cloakroom, they are going to end up saying, of course, they'll be wondering what I'm doing there. I don't enter their cloakroom. Of course, we have our own office. You understand? We don't use the same cloakroom with the other production staffs and the rest. So I was just like, what am I going to do? Holy Spirit, please help me. You know what I now ended up doing? I stood by the staircase. There was actually a staircase at the entrance of the cloakroom. So if you're coming from the canteen, you're going to pass through that staircase and you're going to enter into the cloakroom. So I had to stand there. I began to look at people who are going in with cup, people who are going in with donuts. So I started looking at them. Of course, I don't know everybody's name. I started looking at them. So after all of the do now, I ran away from him. I didn't allow him to see me. But later I said he should go and look for me again. And I should come and tell him everybody that entered there. So I can't remember again whether he took me to the packaging hall and asked me to be pointing to all of them. You understand? I can't remember. Or I mentioned names to him. I can't even remember. But that day I felt like actually being swallowed up. I'm like, okay, why are you giving me this kind of work? He said, I know you're going to say the truth. Please, I need you to know that integrity is very important. Sometimes it does not really make sense when you are really truthful and you are straightforward when it comes to any little issues that happens here and there. Please keep your integrity. It's always very important. So when I tell you that the shoemaking class for December is free, trust me, it's going to be free. And it's going to be very hot. I mean hot. Because I'm going to explicitly be opening your eyes to other areas of shoemaking you have not been harnessing. And those are other areas that can also give you money. It's not just limited to production. Needs job, finished job, I can tell you categorically, are things that I have actually worked on. I mean work with. Like I told you, I work in a pharmaceutical company and I was part of the quality control officer. And I remember working in the packaging section. You have to check their labels, you have to check their packaging, you have to check the corking, you have to check the expiry date and all of that. So anyone that is not okay, you have to insist that they change it. So as a result of that, I carried that into my business and it was able to help me to coordinate myself when it comes to, okay, I want to produce a new job, I want to do this. I try as much as possible to actually pay attention to the finishing, the end product, which is actually the major thing. So join me in that free weekend class. I'm sure you will not regret it. I need you to know, if you are busy, don't join that class. If you are not busy, feel free. But if you are busy, please don't join. It's not for busy people, because you will not make the best out of it. It's not important to actually be part of the class. What is important is you use whatever you learn in that particular class. I still remain your shoemaking made easy tutor, Odurole Mojibola. I'm going to see you in the December class. Bye.